love in action. Be full of love for others, following the example of Christ. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 2. There is no doubt that we need social reform. If success is ever to be realized, our generations must work together and listen to each other, which is one of the first requirements of cooperation. At this point, the gospel of Jesus Christ is relevant as a great reconciler. The apostle John, in his first epistle, declared, "To you, young men, I have written, and, to you, fathers, I have written." This is to the young activists and to the old guard. It is by this that we know what love is, that Christ laid down his life for us. And we in our turn are bound to lay down our lives for our brothers. But if a man has enough to live on, and yet when he sees his brother in need shuts up his heart against him, how can it be said that the divine love dwells in him? My children, love must not be a matter of words or talk. It must be genuine, and show itself in action. This is how we may know that we belong to the realm of truth. Prayer for the day. Father, when someone disagrees with my opinions, may my love not be determined by rhetoric, but by the all-encompassing love of your Son, Jesus Christ.